artists. Arf! Are you ready to draw Danny Dog having a splashing good time in a muddy puddle? Grab your pencils and let's create this playful pup's puddly fun. Danny loves muddy adventures, and today he's wagging his tail and jumping high, making the biggest, silliest splashes. Danny can jump so high, his splashes sometimes land on his nose. How high do you think Danny can jump in the puddle? As high as a chair or maybe a tree? The eyes of Danny Dog are open now. He's enjoying exploring his surroundings. He leaves adorable little paw prints behind, like muddy stamps. What fun shape might Danny's muddy paw prints look like? Stars, hearts, or something else? Sometimes, Danny's floppy dog ears get all muddy too. Do you think Danny's ears will get super muddy? What other animal friends do you think Danny would invite to splash along? Danny loves being the leader of muddy puddle games with his friends. What do you think Danny's favorite puddle game is? Can you make one up for him? Cool! Our drawing of Danny Dog is all done, and he looks ready to make even bigger splashes. Now it's time to add lots of color. Grab your crayons or markers and let's make this picture possum. His tail wags faster when he gets muddier. It's his happy indicator. Would you play in a muddy puddle with Danny? What would you do first? Danny likes making small mud balls to toss in the puddle for extra splashes. How many splashes do you think Danny will make? 5, 10, or a gazillion? Rainy days are Danny Dog's favorite. Perfect for finding puddles. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. He howls funny songs while splashing, making his friends laugh. Can you howl like him? Danny always wears his bright green boots for maximum muddy fun. After playing, Danny shakes off the mud and water, making his friends giggle. That's nice! Our drawing of Danny Dog splashing in his muddy puddle is amazing. Great job! Thank you for drawing and splashing with me today. I can't wait to draw with you again. Keep creating, and see you soon!